Hi. Hello. Sorry. Hi. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime. So, whoa! What? Kenzie!
Is that your new number?
No, that's Marky's. Mine's still verifying. No, it's like on and everything. It's just like my account is set it up.
That's the slime. Okay, so I'm gonna take my gloves off for just a little bit. So what today's video is about is poking. Hold on. Okay. There, that's better. Why you in the song is you? Let's look for something new. Okay, so I'm 9 years old. Oh, my camera fell. Slime. Okay, so I'm just gonna tell you. I'm not gonna show you, cause yeah. See it? Look at my finger. So fun to play with. Slime, 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 slime. Sorry. La, 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 la. Oh, I'm silly. Okay, so how to make slime is glue. I suggest Elmer's glue. I used a different brand of glue, and it made this icky slime. You could see the crinkles in it. See? And borax and water. Borax and water. But I still made slime, so that's all that matters. As long as it sticks and does this, it's fine. It feels like Play-Doh, but it's like a slime. So I'm gonna put it back in its container. And I'm going to talk about my first video. Okay, so this is my first video, and this is my face. Da 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 da. So I am Emily. I am 10 years old, and I am a slime maker. Or I'll do parodies and stuff like that, but I mostly do slime. Slime is my specialty, and slime is my life. This is not slime, though. This is like more of a Play-Doh. I'm just kidding. It's slime. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe my mess down. Hold on! My hands on the top of my screen. I thought it was not recording. Okay. So, slime. Who doesn't like slime? Whoever doesn't like slime is a weirdo. And comment down below if you would like me to make more slime. Subscribe, like, and comment. Bye!